Hello students, today we are going to do past simple tense, right? So let's start. So first of all, we will learn when to use the past simple tense. Now here is the use. We use the past simple for something in the past which is finished. So you see, uh, time is divided into three parts: present and present moment, past and future. So this tense is used for all those actions, right, and events that were completed in the past, right? uh, Here are examples. Emma passed her exam last year. So you see, it happened in the past. We went to the theater on Friday, means the Friday that is gone, right? Elvis Presley died in 1977. I knew what the problem was. When did you buy this car? So you see, these are the examples of past tense. There can be many other examples. For example, yesterday we did present perfect continuous tense, right? Or I watched match yesterday. I studied from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. last evening, and so on, right? So let's move further. Now, let's see how it is formed. First of all, let's concentrate on the positive form. So, irregular past forms ends in ed. Now, note down here, regular past form means the regular verb. And I, so the positive form, right? So, a regular past form ends in ed. Now, what is regular past form? Let me here explain you. So the regular past form here refers to regular verbs. So you see, there are two types of verbs: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are those verbs that always end in ed, second form and third form. For example, call, called, called; walk, walked, walked, right? And there are thousands of such verbs. And then we have irregular forms of verbs which are very limited, approximately 175 to 190, right? So these verbs are that don't end in ed form, particularly the second and the third form. For example, go, went, gone; take, took, taken; seek, sought, sought; forgive, forgave, forgiven; come, came, come; run, ran, run. So all these are irregular verbs, right? So in uh, in in those sentences where we use regular verbs, we'll use ed form of the verb, and where we are using irregular past form, we'll use the second form. Here are the examples. Let's. It happened very quickly. So you see, happened ed. The van crashed ed into the cat. I posted the letter yesterday ed form. So you see, these three sentences are examples of regular verbs. Now here are irregular past forms. The car came out of a side road. Vicky rang earlier. I won the game. So you see, this is the positive form. Second form always. Now let's focus on how to form negative simple past tense. Now you need to be very careful here. In most of the verbs, we just add not with in negatives, right? And the helping verb is already given. But in simple past, helping verb is not given. So you have to add helping verb did. Note down, did will always be added from your side whenever uh, you will be forming negative or questions. And thing to be kept in mind is you will always use first form of the verb with did in negatives as well as in the questions. For example, I did not stop, you did not stop, they did not stop. In questions, you will carry did in front of the verb. Did I stop? Did you stop? Did they stop? Now here is a note. And what is that note? We do not use a past form such as stopped or rang in negatives and questions. This is a wrong sentence. You know, some students who don't understand thoroughly, they use ed form or second form with did, which is wrong. So the car didn't stopped is wrong. And even in question, did you rang? This is wrong. So the correct sentence is the car didn't stop. Did you ring? Okay. So that's it. Now we'll be moving towards exercise. So here is the first exercise which I want you to finish within 2 minutes. Now what you have to do here, the instructions are given. Complete the newspaper story about a fire. Put in the past simple forms of the verbs, right? So here is an example. Two people died. So you see here was blank, and the bracket, in the bracket the hint was given. So similarly, you complete all these 11 blanks. I give you 2 minutes, and I would recommend you to pause the video and do the exercise. And at the end of the exercises, we'll check the answer. So, beta, let's move on to our next exercise. Here, now you have a conversation here. Complete the conversation, put in the past simple negatives and questions. Now look, this exercise is going to check whether you have understood the form of verb of simple past tense that is to be used in questions and negatives. So again, pause the video and we'll check at the end. Here is the example and you can have a look at it. So let's check the answers now. Here are the answers. 11 plus 7, 18. So for each correct answer, give yourself 1 mark, and for each wrong answer, 0. So at the end, see how many marks did you get out of 18. Okay.